Welcome back to my channel. I am so awkward.
You're not awkward, you're doing great.
Anyways, so this video is inspired by Starbucks. I'm really happy that Starbucks has come out with the new Beyond Patty, plant-based patty that would be in a breakfast sandwich. I mean, it's great. I think it's such a good option to have for people who want to go meat-free. However, for this video, I wanted to show you how to make that exact same sandwich vegan. The reason why is because I've seen Tim Hortons make it. They've had the same thing. They had the Beyond Patty. They used real egg and real cheese, and now Starbucks went ahead and did the same thing. Now, I did have a little more hope for Starbucks because they have been amazing with catering to different allergies, different diets. So I did hope that they would have at least figured out how to do the vegan cheese and the vegan egg. So if they're not gonna do it, I will, and I will show you how to do it. It's super simple. I really think I've mastered how to make vegan egg, so I can't wait to show you that. I'm gonna get my husband in here and we're gonna whip it up together because we are a team. Can't wait to show you guys the rest of this video. 3, 2, 1.
Like I popped in.
He's here. All right, let's begin. We're gonna recreate this right here. This is my version of a breakfast sandwich. It's got the English muffins. These are vegan. You can find them in the grocery store, regular grocery store. I've got a Light Life patty. I've got some vegan cheese and the egg. The egg part is just what's amazingly realistic. Now, he hasn't tried it yet, but I can't wait for him to try it. So we're gonna recreate it first.
So can I say something?
Yeah.
Okay.
So before I went vegan, these breakfast sausage things were one of my favorite things. I used to love eggs. And I've never had a vegan egg that tasted like an egg. I've had chia seed eggs and things like that that don't really taste like eggs. So I'm really excited to try this and I hope it's good. It looks really good.
All right, so first we're gonna start with the patty. What we're gonna use is Light Life's veggie sausage. I'll show you what it looks like right here. The room. Looks like this. So all you do is you kind of mash it into the size of an English muffin.
That looks good.
Yeah.
What the heck just came out of my mouth?
That look good?
That look good?
You're excited, aren't you?
Yeah. I meant to say, that looks good. Like, I'm seriously, super excited for you to make this because, you know how much I love, breakfast sausages with English muffins.
Anyone who knows you knows that.
I'm really excited about this.
So then we're gonna fry this up just in some olive oil. I use coconut oil. But yeah, we're just gonna fry it up, both sides. Won't take long at all, so we'll be right back.
Let's see that now. Sound effects.
We're so lame. All right, so we've made our sausage. We melted some vegan cheese on it. In this case, I used the Daiya cheese, Daiya cheddar cheese. And now we're gonna do the egg. Now, before I get to the egg, I have a secret ingredient, and it's actually insane how much it tastes like egg.
I'll be the judge of that.
Okay, well.
So just pepper?
No. This is Kala Namak salt, which is black salt. It has a very eggy flavor, so it's hard to find in grocery stores unless you're at a specialty food store, but you could get it on Amazon really easily. But it is the absolute essential ingredient for the egg. So for the egg, you get medium firm tofu, okay? Medium firm tofu or medium tofu. And then you'll just cut it into a 1/4 inch slab. Then you're gonna put some oil in your pan. You're gonna put the tofu on, and the only ingredients you use are these two: black pepper and black salt. You don't need to add anything else. And yeah, I'll just show you how it's made right now. And
Well, you actually did it. I was expecting them to fall.
I know, me too. Action. right, so here we are with our egg. Do you want to smell it?
What? I actually can't handle. So I was smelling it while she was frying it, but like, my God. Okay, so I went vegan like just over a year and a half ago. So I still remember how egg whites taste and like the smell of egg and stuff like that. So this tastes like, if you eat eggs, you'll know what I'm talking about. This tastes exactly or smells exactly like, you know when you're cooking an egg, like just like a runny egg, no, sunny side up egg type thing, and the edges of the white get a little bit like golden and crispy. That flavor is exactly what that smells like. Like I can't get over how much that smells like egg.
Guys, literally, this tastes like
Like that.
egg.
Sorry to cut you off. That smells like egg.
And the texture, because it's a medium firm tofu or a medium tofu, perfect. You don't want to get too firm because it's going to be like, it'll be too thick. Why are you laughing?
Because I'm salivating. Because my body is like smelling this thing that it hasn't smelled in so long, and then it's salivating with expectation.
Okay, I'm going to let him try it first. We just lightly toasted some English muffin. So I'm just going to put that on here. Now we got our sausage with melted cheese, melted vegan cheese.
Oh, this looks so good. Oh, man. I'm so excited.
And that's it. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm actually so excited.
Okay, I'll let you take the first bite.
Okay. What the hell? Oh my God. That is amazing. What?
I know.
My body is really confused right now. That tastes exactly like egg white. Like that tastes both texture, like the feel, it feels like egg white, but it also, like it has the flavor of egg. Like that is insane. The whole thing, amazing. Sausage is delicious. The combination tastes exactly like a sausage breakfast sausage muffin thing. Mmm. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You can have the rest. I've had it so many times.
Oh my God.
I do want to point out, using Kala Namak black salt, don't use too much because a little goes a long way, honestly. Just like sprinkle it on. I'll link this in the description below. It's easy to get. Just make sure we had some issues with the cap, like all of it falling out, so just make sure it's tightened before you use it. And yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Try it. It's amazing. Like, it's amazing.
I know, it's really good. Are you just going to eat the whole thing right now?
My brain is so confused. Like, I know that it's tofu. Like, I know that it's tofu. I saw you make it. But when I bite into it and I chew it, I can't even talk. It feels like egg.
I know.
It's insane.
Yeah.
Wow.
And Light Life, you guys did a great job.
Yeah, no, the sausage is amazing.
Yeah. And Dea, obviously, cheese, you're great.
Yeah, the sausage is amazing, cheese is amazing, but I've never had this egg before. So my brain is so... Wow. I don't even know how to talk.
So he's literally eating the entire thing in front of you guys.
It's amazing.
Like, there's this much left. You can just finish it off, babe.
Mm-hmm. We need to make more egg.
Yep. So it's just a tofu egg, guys. It's that simple. So Starbucks. Starbucks, please. Try to serve these as well.
Seriously, like, Jesus Christ. That was delicious. Like, high five. Unbelievable how much it tastes like egg white. Like, freaky.
Yeah, I know.
It's freaky.
Anyways, seriously, Try it. It'll be
Seriously.
exactly what you expected.
Stop that. It's really good. Honestly, if you're vegan and you like miss eggs, like that flavor of eggs, and you want to try, and you want to like make a breakfast sausage like that, keep burping. This is exactly like eggs. Exactly like eggs.
This is great.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you next week, next Tuesday. So have a great rest of the week.
See you next Tuesday.
True. See you next week. Have a great rest of the week.
So we shouldn't tell them to comment, like, subscribe, say something in the comments, nothing like that.
I guess if you want, please.
Well, you definitely have food in your teeth. There's some nice collard greens in there. Next one. Next one. Yeah, there you go. No, you didn't get it though. Open your mouth. Open your open your mouth. Open your mouth wide. I can't get my.
It's a part of me now.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Thank you. I'm a lady. Let's end this. I
I
mean,
never know how to end.
well, let's end this video.
Demonetized.
Peace out, 8-town.
Nope, not that one. I'm not gonna do that. High five. High five the camera.
Peace out.